can your warehouse workers keep up with the rising number of online orders? By keeping their hands on the job and their eyes on the task, they keep pace with e-commerce demands and move goods faster. No more stop and go. No more wasted time interacting with mobile computers. Zebra's HD4000 directs their next action for next-level efficiencies by putting clear instructions in their line of sight. This is a new user experience like you've never seen before. One that workers learn in just hours. That ensures the right item goes in the right place every time. And that revs up picking and packing for rapid turnarounds. It's the head-mounted display from Zebra. It combines with Zebra's Fulfillment Edge platform, which turns every step into the right one, by turning your legacy warehouse management system into a 21st century brainpower. See how Zebra's head-mounted display places your warehouse operations well ahead of e-commerce demands. That's Zebra's head-mounted display HD4000.